Do you want to know how you can sign up using your Gmail account in Zedge? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up in Zedge using your Gmail account. Go to your Chrome OS browser and then search for zedge.net. Now click on web browser. Now you should click on the profile which is on the right hand side, and it will lead you to this login page. Now click on continue with Google. You can sign up with any of the email which you have logged in. Press continue, and then congratulations, you have just signed up using your Gmail account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.